So this is how you would use badging while you're in Schoology. When you go to your course, on the left-hand side, you'll see the tab that says Badges. When we click on that, it will give you the prompt that you haven't added any badges yet. Now, Schoology is kind enough to offer you some already that you don't have to create. You've got perfect attendance, good listener, positive attitude, a problem thinker. So if I wanted to offer one of these to my students, I would just click on the badge, and then I would click Add. So now I can go through and I could say, oh, Jackie had a positive attitude, Heather, Julie. I can go through and I can offer all of the children that had positive attitude in the class or for a lesson a badge in their course. Now, sometimes I would like to create a badge just for me and my students. So using the Noun project, I downloaded an award with a thumbs up. So I'm going to create the Thumbs Up Award. I'm going to come to Add Badges and create a new badge. Here, I'll give it a title. Okay, you have to give a message, you have to have a title and an image. You can see every of these things here are starred. So my message might be, here is the message I want to give my student. Okay, and that's what the award is from. I'm going to attach the file. I had downloaded already the Noun Project Award. So I'm going to add that in. You can see over here what it looks like. I'm not real keen with the blue. Maybe I'll turn it gold. Maybe I can change this outside, make it a little bit of a flare. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Submit. Now I can give all of the teachers who did a great job on their project that Thumbs Up Award. Another nice thing is if I have the Thumbs Up Award and I want to share it with my colleague, I can come up here to this pull down arrow. I can save this to my resources and I can put it in a collection that I can share to my group and save a copy that way. They can then go to their resources and add a badge and import from resources.